Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Vellabox unboxing for August. I'm super excited to open this up and see what my candle this month was. I do get to pick this one because they send it to me, but if you subscribe to Vellabox, they will have you fill out a scent profile and they will put you into a different category and you'll get that candle every month. I believe you can switch that up too, so if you decide that you want a cleaner scents in the spring, and then as you go towards the fall, you want more of those gourmand, rich scents, you can do that. I will also say, I do have an incredible code that will save you so much money off of your Vellabox. So if you are interested in trying this, it is absolutely worth a shot. This has quickly become one of my favorite subscriptions, and I have been burning the candles so often. You'll actually notice this candle right here is not a Vellabox candle because I've fully burned through all of the ones that I have gotten, which is wild because they're huge. If you're not familiar with Vellabox, they are a subscription where each month they will find a small business candle company throughout the country and send it to us so that we can try a different brand every month. You do always get a clean burning candle, and the packaging is always very minimal and aesthetically pleasing, so it can match any decor style. And I love that you get a free gift every month as well. Last month, I believe it was a tote bag, and then we've gotten a really cute little bookmark that I use all the time. We got a scrub brush that I use almost every day. I can't believe I almost forgot about that one. Just very practical things that I feel like fit their brand really well, but are still super, super useful in your daily life. So with that being said, let's see what we got for August. When we open it up, it has this cute little thing that says, "Flowers are the friends in the garden of life," which I totally agree with. It looks like the theme for this month is Garden Party. So they do have a Spotify playlist that you can play, and then it talks about the free gift and the company. The candles are from Resolute Candles, based in Indianapolis, Indiana, and they launched in October 2020. They've been dedicated to providing high-quality, clean-burning candles made with non-toxic ingredients. Handcrafted, don't release any harmful toxins, and their founder said, "Just as we want to know what is in the foods we eat, we want to know what is in the home products we purchase." So I love that, very clean. And the scent that I picked this month is the Olive Oil Botanica. It's part of the citrus category, if that is your scent profile. So let's see what that smells like. This is what our bag this month looks like. Super, super cute. Ooh, I like the style of this a lot. This is really, really pretty. Okay, the scent notes are citrus, dew, lavender, green stems, herbs, pepper, patchouli, and musk. Sounds good. Ooh. Okay, that's different than I expected. Leans more on like a fresh cut grass smell than I would have expected. It's very clean. It smells like clean nature, truly like a garden party, which fits the theme very nicely. I'm trying to pick up like what the scent is that I'm getting here. I think it's the lavender mixed with, I think, the green stems. It smells like the floral department of like a Trader Joe's or grocery store. Just very clean. I don't think I get like citrus. No, okay, it's maybe like a grapefruit citrus. I like that. That's really, really clean. I feel like I would definitely say this is more of like a spring scent than summer to me. And I feel like Garden Party is still more spring, but I'm not complaining. It smells really, really good. And I really love this packaging. This is so cute. So that will be my new candle to go right here. And then let's see what our free gift is this month. So it says that these are Swedish dishcloths, which I love. These are pretty too. These are really pretty. So we have this one that is a kind of yellow with, I don't know the flower, chrysanthemum maybe, and oranges, which is super cute. And then this one, ooh, I like this one a lot. Okay, this one is lemons with some blueberries. I love this blue color. These are so pretty. So if you haven't used a Swedish dishcloth before, they, let me see what they say. They can be used up to 200 times. They're machine washable and can be used for 6 to 12 months. they don't crumble or pill, and they can absorb up to 20 times their weight in liquid. So these are really, really great. I love using these to clean like windows and mirrors because no streaks, ever, no streaks. I know a lot of people use them for dishes. I don't particularly like them for dishes, but I love kitchen counters, dusting, really everything. I feel like these are awesome for. So super excited to have them, and I love that we get 2, and that is a $10 value. So these are really, really cute. Very on theme of the garden party. So I love that. Yet again, Vellabox, I love it. I feel like they just nail it every single time. Candles are amazing. I love that I get to discover a new small business every month. And the candles are super clean. I've never gotten a headache or had any kind of irritation from it. And especially because I have a pet, it makes me feel really, really good to know that the candles are clean. So everyone in my household can feel good about breathing them in. If you are interested in trying Vellabox, definitely go ahead and use my code because it will save you so much money, and it is a fantastic subscription company. I'll put a picture up on the screen of what the different tiers are of each subscription. I do have the biggest one that I showed you today, and I burn the candle all day, every day in my house, and it lasts me the whole month. So if you are not someone that is going to burn the candle constantly, I would say you don't need to get the big boy, but you totally can, and then it will last you a little bit longer. So love that. And if you want to give this as a gift to someone, this makes a fantastic gift. That is everything in this box. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you subscribe to Vellabox, let me know which candle you got this month, and I really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me. I hope that you stick around and subscribe to my channel, and if you do, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!